Hello, my name is Michaela Gorman, and today I will be discussing a massive winter storm that swept through the Great Plains and Midwest in 1888, and that blizzard has become known as the Schoolhouse Blizzard of 1888. On January 12th, 1888, everyone started their day like any other warm winter day and went about their days unequipped for the cold. That meant they were going to school, children were going to school, adults were going to work in clothes meant for warm weather. Within a matter of just a few short hours, roughly 6 inches of snow and powerful winds swept through the Midwest and Great Plains, creating what is known as whiteout conditions within these areas, ultimately killing 235 people. The temperatures within these areas ranged from just above freezing in the morning, so about 20 to 30 degrees, but then quickly dropped to below zero again within a few short hours. Since it was midday and people were unequipped for these conditions, many of the children were trapped at school and the adults trapped at work. However, a few people did try to brave these conditions, one being Minnie Freeman of Mirror Valley, Nebraska. She became known as a folk hero as she led 13 children to her house half a mile away and ultimately saving herself and these children. However, one teacher in Plainview, Nebraska, Louis Royce, tried doing the same thing with only 3 children and herself, as she only lived half a mile away. But ultimately, the children died and she lost both her feet to frostbite since she got disoriented while trying to find her way to her house in these whiteout conditions again. This blizzard became a blizzard because of a mix from the cold Arctic front up north and the warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico that collided, and mixed within the Midwest and Great Plain region. The massive temperature difference again was -6 on the 11th, so the day before the blizzard. And then on the morning of the 12th, the temperatures were at 28 and then dropped down into the negatives, about -20, -40 in different regions within the matter of a few hours. This did span all the way from Medicine Hat in Alberta to the Great Plains and Midwest and all the way east to Montana and Idaho. As a person from California and from a state that is relatively warm year round, we don't really know, or the residents of California really don't know just how drastic blizzards and deadly blizzards can be. Unless you live in a state like Minnesota, Nebraska, the Dakotas, anywhere in the Midwest and the Great Plains, you'll know how deadly those blizzards can be. I personally have family in Minnesota, and that's where I was born. So I do understand how bad the blizzards can be. But people can say now that with climate change, a blizzard of this magnitude probably won't happen, but it's nature we're dealing with, and nature has an unexpected course and can cause anything to happen within any amount of time. So being aware of just how drastic those can be, and even if there is a slight chance that the temperatures can change within a certain amount of time, having that knowledge and being well equipped for that can help ultimately save hundreds of lives. And just overall being prepared, no matter the time of year, can ultimately help you save hundreds of lives.